welcome to the AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you this video how to check and copy hardware network property details. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to open the Windows setting. For that you have to press Windows plus I key. And here you can see network and internet. Click on this. After that, scroll down a little bit. You can see here advanced network setting. Click on this. Then here you can see hardware and connection properties. Click on this. Here you can check all hardware network property details: Ethernet, local area connection, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. If you want to copy all these details, click on copy. Then you can paste in anywhere, in Word file or PowerPoint or Notepad file. So in this way you can copy the hardware and network property details in Windows 11. That's it guys. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.